Have you ever wondered about the true state of the Florida condominium market? Is it really collapsing? We're about to dive deep into the heart of the issue, revealing the stark reality of the Florida condo market. Florida, known for its sunny beaches and vibrant nightlife, has a rather less glamorous side to its real estate scene. The condominium market, once a beacon of profitable investments and dreamy beachfront homes, is now under scrutiny. The recent condo collapse in Miami-Dade County that led to the tragic loss of nearly 100 lives has sent shockwaves through the condominium market, igniting concerns over structural integrity and safety standards. This unfortunate incident, as reported by USA Today, has resulted in lawsuits expedited by the judge and a compensation of $150 million sourced from insurance money and the sale of the collapse site. This has raised questions about the sustainability and viability of the condo market in Florida. But it's not just the structural integrity that's causing unease. The rising costs associated with condominium ownership are starting to weigh heavily on the market. From soaring insurance rates to escalating maintenance costs, owning a condo in Florida is becoming an increasingly expensive endeavor. Many are starting to question if the financial burden is worth the sunshine and beachfront views. These challenges, coupled with the lingering aftermath of the condo collapse, have caused a ripple effect with implications that extend beyond the borders of Florida. The confidence in the condo market has been shaken, and the repercussions are being felt in the wallets of condo owners and investors alike. So what's the bottom line? The Florida condo market is under strain. It's beleaguered by rising costs, concerns over safety, and the ripple effects of a tragic incident. It's a market in flux, grappling with challenges that could define its future trajectory. With these shocking revelations, it's clear that the Florida condominium market is facing significant challenges. The question now is, how will the market respond, and what does the future hold for condominiums in Florida? Let's delve deeper into these questions in the next scenes. Rising costs are a major factor affecting the Florida condominium market, but how severe is it? Let's dive into the specifics to get a better understanding. One cannot overlook the significant increase in insurance costs over the last few years. The average cost of condo insurance in Florida has seen a dramatic rise, putting pressure on condo owners. This is due to a combination of factors, including increased claim costs, more frequent and severe weather events, and rising reinsurance rates. This hike in insurance costs is not just a financial burden on the individual condo owners, but also on the condo associations that are responsible for maintaining the buildings. Moreover, maintenance costs have been on the rise too. This can be attributed to the increased costs of labor and materials, as well as the need for more frequent maintenance due to aging infrastructure and more stringent building codes. The upkeep of a condo building is a costly affair, and these costs are often passed down to the condo owners in the form of higher maintenance fees, and then we have the property taxes. Florida's property tax rates have been climbing, and this is yet another cost condo owners have to bear. The higher the value of a property, the higher the property tax. And with the real estate market in Florida experiencing a boom, property values have been soaring, leading to a corresponding rise in property taxes. Rising costs are not just a burden on current condo owners, but they also serve as a deterrent for potential buyers. The dream of owning a condo in sunny Florida is becoming increasingly unaffordable for many. So, what does all this mean for the Florida condominium market? Well, the increasing costs are creating a challenging environment for both condo owners and potential buyers. This is not a sustainable situation, and unless there are changes, the market could face a serious downturn. The skyrocketing costs are pushing the Florida condominium market to the brink. As we move on to the next section, we'll explore the aftermath of the recent condo collapse and how it has further impacted this already troubled market. The recent tragic condo collapse has further exacerbated the situation in Florida. What are the implications of this incident on the market? The aftermath of this disaster paints a grim picture. The collapse of the condominium led to a loss of nearly 100 lives, a tragedy that sent shockwaves through the state and beyond. In the wake of the catastrophe, the victims and their families were promised a compensation sum of $150 million, sourced from insurance money and the sale of the collapsed site. But this is only the start of the financial implications. Lawsuits have been filed, leading to an expedited legal process. to ensure swift compensation for the victims. While money can't replace the loss of lives and homes, it is a necessary step towards providing some form of relief for those affected. But the financial cost is just one part of the story. The collapse has sparked a statewide, even nationwide, concern about the structural integrity of condominiums. The debris from the collapse has been preserved for investigations to determine the cause, and while it's still undetermined, questions have been raised about the building's structural integrity. This incident has undoubtedly instilled fear and uncertainty amongst current condo owners and potential buyers. The confidence in the condominium market has taken a hit, with people more cautious than ever about investing in such properties. This caution extends beyond just the buyers. Developers, investors, real estate agents, all are feeling the impact of this incident. The whole situation has created a ripple effect that is being felt across the Florida condominium market. The crisis that was already brewing due to rising costs has now been intensified. The market has been thrown into a state of uncertainty, with the future seeming more unstable than ever. The condo collapse has instilled fear and uncertainty in the market, further intensifying the crisis. This event serves as a stark reminder of the importance of stringent building regulations and rigorous maintenance practices. As we move forward, it's clear that changes are needed to restore faith in the market and ensure the safety of those who call these condos home. The financial crisis in the Florida condominium market has emerged as a pressing concern. A combination of rising costs, soaring insurance rates, and increasing property taxes has led to a challenging environment for condo owners and potential buyers alike. But what exactly does this mean for the market? Let's delve deeper into this issue. According to a news report by the Miami Herald, the costs associated with maintaining and renovating condos in Florida have been on a steady rise. This has placed a significant financial burden on condo owners, many of whom are struggling to keep up with these escalating expenses. The insurance rates, too, have seen a dramatic increase. The Herald highlights that some condo associations have reported their insurance rates doubling or tripling in just a few years. This rapid surge in insurance rates is directly impacting the affordability of condos, deterring potential buyers. Furthermore, property taxes in the region have also escalated, adding to the financial woes of condo owners. A recent report by the Florida Department of revealed that property taxes in the Miami-Dade County, for instance, have risen by over 4% in the last year alone, further exacerbating the financial strain on condo owners. The cumulative impact of these factors is proving disastrous for the market. Existing owners are grappling with financial stress, while potential buyers are being priced out of the market. This crisis in the Florida condominium market, therefore, is not just a symptom of isolated events, but a result of systemic issues that need immediate attention. The market's response, however, has been slow and inadequate, further deepening the crisis. A more preemptive action plan is required to address these root causes and not just the symptoms of this deepening crisis in the Florida condominium market. With all these challenges, what does the future hold for the Florida condominium market? The future of the Florida condominium market is shrouded in uncertainty, with a multitude of factors coming into play. The recent events have certainly cast a shadow, but let's delve into the projected trends based on the current situation. One thing seems certain: the market will likely continue to grapple with rising costs. As we've seen, these escalating expenses are already putting a strain on condo owners and potential buyers. If this trend continues, the dream of owning a condominium in sunny Florida may become increasingly out of reach for many. Experts are also concerned about the potential long-lasting impacts of the tragic condo collapse. The incident has raised serious questions about the structural integrity of many older buildings. There's a growing call for stricter regulations and more rigorous inspections, which could lead to an increase in maintenance costs and insurance rates. This could further exacerbate the affordability issues in the market, but it's not all doom and gloom. Some believe that these challenges could spur positive changes. The increased scrutiny could lead to improvements in building safety standards, making condos a safer investment in the long run. There's also hope that the current crisis could prompt legislative action to address affordability issues and protect condo owners' rights. However, if the situation doesn't improve, the potential consequences are concerning. The market could see a drop in demand, with more people opting for single-family homes or rentals. This could lead to a surplus of unsold condos, driving prices down and potentially causing a market crash. In the worst-case scenario, the crisis could even have a domino effect on the state's economy. The real estate sector is a significant part of Florida's economy, and a crash in the condo market could have far-reaching implications. The future of the Florida condominium market seems uncertain at best. It's high time for substantial action to mitigate this crisis.